What's good, YouTube? It's your boy KashDaKoolDad back again with another video. This time we got that Max right there, man. So you know, this one is not gonna be ceramic. It's gonna be a quick little detail. I'm offering new services. I think I'm gonna call it the Aveune service. Shout out to my brother, he inspired this one. So I just want y'all to shout out to the Ram truck making all that noise. But I just want y'all to look at this and see what I'm doing. It's gonna be a quick clay wash and spray ceramic. That's it. Look, I want y'all to look at this and yeah, there it is. We're gonna do a good little walk around, man. Little walk around. Y'all want to switch the camera around? Let me see. Switch the camera around. The different, you know. Hold on, my bad. Bam. Hold on. YouTube, here it is. Good little depth to the black, and all this was is just a wash. YouTube, look at that. You can see the reflection real well. At first you couldn't. Even at the back, you know. Everything is just glossing. I'm holding the phone with my hand right now because my Osmo is acting up with the heat, so I'm letting him get his little. Let him get his break in, but I think we outdid ourselves again. From this angle, man, this thing here looks like a GTR or something. It look real good. It's an aggressive look, and I love it. So I'm gonna give y'all some B-roll so y'all can see this thing. Hope y'all enjoy this.